Yes, Kenya. Tamu sana, yes. In this video, I want us to have a look at a story that has been going viral since yesterday night. This is a story on Senior Counsel Ahmednasir's withdrawal from William Ruto's legal team. Before we do that, in case you are watching us for the very first time, subscribe, give this video a like. Yes. Yesterday evening, Senior Counsel Ahmednasir Abdullahi, taking to his Twitter handle, had this to say: Ahmednasir Abdullahi, Senior Counsel, I want but I can't act for President-elect Ruto in the Supreme Court. I'm conflicted. In 2017, I acted for outgoing President Uhuru against Honorable Raila. Now that Uhuru's project, Honorable Raila, is challenging Ruto's victory, obviously Uhuru will object and raise client's advocate privilege. That's Senior Counsel's tweet yesterday. And the reason he's giving is that he's conflicted. He acted for Uhuru in 2017, so he can't act for William Ruto because that's conflict of interest. That reasoning, by any standards, is not holding any water. There is a deeper meaning or other reason why Senior Counsel is withdrawing from William Ruto's legal team. And that's what I want us to find out in this video right now. If you look at this Senior Counsel, in the few past days, he has been sending mixed signals. About 2 days ago, this lawyer claimed that President Uhuru Kenyatta had prepared for the Supreme Court battle for over 3 years. And that was interpreted to mean he was losing hope or surrendering or just telling William Ruto that Ruto has no chances of winning the Supreme Court battle. Yes. So already, Senior Counsel knows that William Ruto will not be able to win the duel at the Supreme Court. So he's just withdrawing, he's cleverly withdrawing to avoid that looming embarrassment at the Supreme Court of Kenya. That's one reason I'm seeing why this Senior Counsel is withdrawing from William Ruto's legal team. And then the second reason, there might be some disagreements between this lawyer and William Samoei Ruto. Maybe they have not agreed on some terms of engagement, pertaining maybe to even payments. So Senior Counsel is just cleverly pretending that there is a conflict of interest. The truth of the matter here, they might have disagreed on terms of engagement and more so on payment. So I won't be wrong to say that this is a man who has been supporting William Ruto blindly. William Ruto has used this man to attack and abuse Raila Odinga. Now Ruto feels he does not need this man. Ruto has used and dumped Senior Counsel Ahmednasir Abdullahi. Ruto is not just willing to contract him for the Supreme Court duel and battle. And that is because in 2017, they lost the case at the Supreme Court. So maybe Ruto is still not very sure if this man can actually secure him a win at the Supreme Court of Kenya. Ruto is not willing to contract this lawyer. And if you look at it from another angle, this withdrawal by Senior Counsel just shows and explains the kind of disorganization in William Ruto's legal team. there might be lawyers, very influential lawyers, not interested in representing William Ruto, running away from William Ruto. And besides just running away from William Ruto, it appears there is total disunity, total confusion in William Ruto's legal team. And that only shows that Raila's legal team is more prepared for the Supreme Court than William Ruto's legal team. This withdrawal by senior counsel just exposes that kind of disunity and disorganization in William Ruto's legal team. Raila's team is more prepared than William Ruto's legal team. That also comes out very, very clearly. And for those who actually watched Raila Odinga presenting the petition challenging William Ruto's election at the Supreme Court, Raila painted a group, or rather Raila painted a picture of a team that is well prepared, and they know exactly why they are going to the Supreme Court to challenge William Ruto's election. Ruto on the other side, even from the way William Ruto was talking before the election, the way Chebukati and IBC were behaving even before the election, it's clear that no serious lawyer might successfully manage to secure William Ruto a win or even IBC a win at the Supreme Court of Kenya. And that is all because IBC, as it is, made some open and glaring political blunders that are even very open and clear to even children. Right from the procurement of ballot papers, to the transmission of results, and even to the declaration. It's clear there are some open blunders IBC made. So maybe serious lawyers might not be interested in soiling their names, in trying to defend IBC and also trying to defend William Ruto. While it's clear, IBC made very open political and even legal blunders that no serious lawyer can risk soil his or her name in defending that kind of a fraud. And on top of that point, some days ago, we saw Gladys Boss Sholei sneaking in a laptop at Bomas of Kenya. And there is a forensic analysis that has been done on that said laptop. And the analysis has established that indeed that laptop was being used to upload some fake IBC from 34As and Bs on IBC portal. And that's an analysis we did in details in our video about 3 hours ago. So it's clear that IBC, William Ruto's team, are in a total mess. People are not just interested in defending and representing them. That's also something coming out very clearly. Wafula Chebukati and IEBC made a very big political blunder, political and even legal blunders, by pronouncing William Ruto president-elect without following due diligence. That's also something coming out very, very clearly. And also, as I conclude, I honestly believe that as the hearing starts, we are most likely going to see more drama from the Supreme Court of Kenya. From the way things have started, we are most likely going to see a lot of drama coming from the Supreme Court of Kenya. And from where I see it, and this is something I've been saying, this idea of elections being rigged after every 5 years, then Kenyans are being told to move on. I strongly believe and feel it should stop in 2022. The Supreme Court of Kenya should actually make sure they deal with this scourge, this monster of elections being rigged, especially presidential elections being rigged after every 5 years. The Supreme Court of Kenya must lay this dragon in 2022 once and for all. Anybody found to be culpable should be blocked from ever contesting for any elective seat. Any IBC official found to have also tampered or rather overturned the will of a majority of Kenyans, stern action should also be taken against that IEBC official. Let me stop it there, ladies and gentlemen. Just as I did indicate when we were starting, in case you are watching us for the very first time, but so far you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, give this video a like. And to our fans and subscribers here, I'm very much humbled, very grateful for the kind of support you are giving me here. God bless you, God bless Kenya. To any other person, that's the kind of analysis we do here. We don't beat about the bush. We go straight on to the point. We call it as it is without fear or favor. In case you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. Stay tuned for our next analysis. God bless you. God bless Kenya.